I just got a package in the mail, let's unbox it together. This video is not sponsored. I am going to use this box opener. If you want this box opener yourself, you can find the link in the description down below. Let's see what we got. I got this 10-inch ring light. This is going to work great for my future videos. Let's see what it comes with. I loved how everything came so neatly packaged. It comes with the ring light, the phone stand, a Bluetooth remote so you can press the photo or record button wirelessly. It also comes with a string to be attached to the remote. Lastly, the stand for the ring light. One of the great qualities of this ring light is the color-changing lights. This ring light comes with over 30 different colors and designs. There's rainbow colors, rainbow spirals, and cool, natural and warm tones. It's perfect for TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Or even long videos like this one. It's great also for modeling, photo shoots, parties, sleepovers, and more. It's even great for advertising things for sponsorships as well. Another one of the great qualities of this ring light is the phone stand. I know we all have struggled making content in the past, so investing in this ring light is perfect. This phone stand can hold any phone, iPhone or Android. It stretches for tight fit without damaging your phone or your phone case. Thanks for watching my honest review on this ring light. See you guys in the next video.